the Edifier W240TN. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Edifier W240TN true wireless earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with a user guide, USB-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips. The earbuds features 8.5 hours of listening time, 25 hours with the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.3, coaxial dual dynamic drivers, 6mm and 10mm. App integration, ANC, and ambient features along with low latency game mode. Button controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IP55 dust and water resistant. It also comes in 4 color options: black, white, blue, and purple. The case has a matte finish all around and it's slim and compact. On the top, you have the branding etched in. On the front of the case, you have the status LED light. And on the back, you'll find the USB-C charge port along with the pairing button. The lid has a nice snap to it when it opens and closes. Earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. Taking a look at the earbuds, it has a glossy finish on the inside face with the ear markings on the back. The outer face has a matte finish with the logo and the button for the controls. Each of the earbuds have microphones, interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, and button control. Here they are side by side. Navigating playback, calls, ANC, and ambient features is just a few taps or a long press. And this has app integration as well. Once connected, you can toggle the ANC, ambient, and game mode features, and you can select from EQ presets or customize your own. You have access to general settings, and also you can modify and reassign the controls. The case comes in at 59 by 42 by 27mm. It weighs in at 40 grams, and the earbuds come in at 12 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Edifier W240TN microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone worked well and it was loud and clear. Other parties had no issues hearing me during calls. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They seated well in my ears and it formed a good seal. I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals and they felt secure. Build and quality is good. The case and earbuds both feel durable, and I like the design on both. Earbuds don't protrude out once seated in your ears. Button controls don't take that much pressure to activate, and they are responsive and not overly sensitive. Battery life is respectable at 8.5 hours and 25 hours with the case. Having the ANC feature on will reduce it slightly. I like the app integration, but I would have liked to have seen wireless charging. The ANC feature was excellent and it blocked out the surrounding noises pretty well. I had a fan on in the background during my testing. Probably one of the better ones that I have tested. The ambient sound worked as advertised. The microphones picked up the surroundings loud and clear when activated. Now when it comes to sound, these definitely performed and surprised me. The bass comes in deep, heavy, and tight. Accurate, and it doesn't overwhelm. Definitely won't disappoint the bass heads out there. Mids and highs were clean and clear, and there was good separation. Crisp sounding and a wide sound stage. It was a very pleasant listening experience as I tested it through various music genres. It does lean more towards a warmer sound signature. Overall, I feel these are an impressive pair by Edifier. The ANC, ambient, and overall sounds exceeded my expectations. It definitely should be on your list if you're looking for your next pair of earbuds. So that is my review of the Edifier W240TN True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.